3. Yeah,
yeah,
that's
don't
what I
worry.
say.
Don't. That was a joke. Don't worry about
Oh,
it.
okay. So you gotta be careful with that shit.
We dead serious right now, okay?
I'm just saying
No,
it's an
no, like, jokes are fine, but like, how we does
So this entire time I've been trying to figure out what this one random buff is that we keep getting, and it's cows like Reaper region nonsense.
I got
Treat is
red.
purple. Treat is
flex.
purple. Alright, I'll go stand here. Bravo Delta.
Poking.
There. This is going to be an in-out, so it doesn't really matter. Just in-out, yep.
Oh, I just...
Okay, get ready for winter clocks. 2 minutes coming out soon.
Bubble out.
Bubble.
Next stack. Blue will be safe first. Blue in Delta. Blue in Delta. And just park right here. Tank stuff.
Poking.
Stacking in. Blue Bravo. Blue Bravo out. Here's going to be safe basically the whole time.
Don't go in yet.
Alright, now look at your party on red, chain, which is me on blue.
Gangbuster.
Bubble.
Yo, fainting.
Get ready for fourfold. Pay attention to your buff time. timers. Don't panic.
Red. Sorry.
Purple.
I'm gonna hold these 2-minute buffs till after everything happens. Ready for colors again. The clock spots.
Bubble.
Going to be out then in then out. It's going to be in then out, but get this south crystal first if you need it. In then out. In then out. To your home square. Nice job. Hot and buffs going out now.
Surprise them. Heal.
Painting. Oh,
Oh, okay.
Okay. What's gonna do first? Shackles. So shackle on blue, party on red. And it's the flare.
Stay on red after this goes off.
Stay on red after it goes off. Stay on red
Shackles
after.
was... Okay, now it's safe.
I have no shield.
Get ready for chain. Remember, the person who gets the red debuff is going to go to 1.
That's purple.
3.
I have it. I'll go to A. Oh, okay, no,
Red
never
first.
mind.
Red
Yeah.
first. Yeah, we're
I'm
good.
in B.
Red. Now switch to blue. Switch to blue.
Oh, that is so much cleaner.
switch to blue. Switch to blue. No.
No,
We're
you didn't.
fine.
You were in red the
I was
whole
done.
time.
I
You
don't
just
know.
lagged that thing.
Just res him and then res him and then res him and then Cal just heal LB or you know what to do.
I'll be 3.
We're gonna get one more. And it's red,
Red out.
Red Bravo.
red out, Bravo, red out, Bravo.
Oh shit.
Blue safe. Blue in
Blue Delta.
Delta.
Nice.
Yeah, whatever. Kill boss.
You get a Benny.
I'm just gonna see how long I can extend this damage.
Very nice. Very nice.
Way out of range.
We always just get someone dying, and that was me this time.
Didn't even get the.
I hate that
Red
you
white.
can't see his flank markers like at
Oh, shit, what
all
are we
in
supposed
that
to do?
last.
I know.
Ooh, it's really hard in that phase too.
What was also really hard to see was what color he had when the Reaper LB was going
LB went off. I was like,
Yeah.
I was looking for the what the chains were. I was like,
That
oh,
point,
this
just
is
like
bad.
Jesus, take the wheel.